In Facebook, on Facebook, this cannot be existent. So as I said before, I never leave, for example, comments or like on Facebook, because I don't know, except for very important and very well-known groups, okay? And usually they are groups related to English language. And so there are a lot of very nice teachers, Katy Ortega, Christian Saunders, and so they are honest beings. And so I can leave for them some comments, but anyway, for other, never. I usually, no. On Webtalk, I leave a lot of comments because I know that this is a real support for you working on Webtalk. And so if I leave some comments, some sharing, some likes, you can be paid. And so this is important for you, of course. Yeah.
Not only me, you too.
Yes.
It's for everyone, not only for teachers, for everyone.
But this is really important for you, Neluza, and for other teachers who are able to give us your work. I am a learner. I am a passive person, okay? Because I listen to you, I study with you, I ask for your help, okay? So I'm not working. You are working. Teacher Tim is working. Teacher John is working. Okay. Alexandra or Sama Barry or other people, they are working, and so it's right for them to be paid, of course. And I can help you leaving my comments, my likes, and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah.